Hello and welcome to my channel. So firstly we will read this problem. Alice and Bob each created one problem for hackerrank. A reviewer rates the two challenges, awarding points on a scale of 1 to 100 for three categories: problem, clarity, originality, and difficulty. We define the rating of Alice challenge to be a triplet. A is equal to A of 0, A of 1, A of 2. And same as Bob's triplet is B of 0, B of 1 and B of 2. Your task is to find the comparison points by comparing A0 with B0, A1 with B1 and so on. So when A1 is greater than B1, then Alice is awarded with the 1 point, and A1 is less than B1, then Bob will be awarded 1 point, and if both are equal then neither person receives a point. So this is the problem, and this is what we have to implement in our code. A is an array of integers representing Alice challenge rating, and B is an array of integers representing Bob's challenge rating. Constant is from 1 to 100. In the first row there is a rating of Alice 5, 6 and 7. In the second row Bob's rating are there 3, 6 and 10. So when 5 is greater than 3, then Alice will receive a point. 6 is equal to 6, then both will not receive any point. And 7 is less than 10, so Bob will receive a point. This is a sample input. As both receives 1 point, the first element will be of Alice points and second element will be Bob's point. This is another example of that. Same. In this case, Bob will receive only 1 point and Alice will receive 2 points. We'll write our code. As this result count is going to be 2, as we have to return an array of only 2 elements. We'll define an array of 2 elements. As we need to return an array of 2 elements. Then we need a for loop. As only 3 elements are being compared, that's why it will execute only 3 times. Then we need a if else loop. When a of I is less than b of I. When that is when Alice score is greater than when Alice score is less than Bob's score, then Bob will receive a point. Means second element of our array will be increased by 1. Else part. We will write another if when Alice score is greater than Bob's score. Then we will get first element of our array incremented by 1. As arrays index start from 0, this will be our first element and this will be our second element. Then we need to return array. Our code is completed. We will run our code. It is running successfully. Then we will submit our code. As all test cases are successful, this code is okay. If you want me to make more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.